Welcome back. It's time to start writing your body paragraphs. This is workshop 8, where you will learn about writing the topic sentence. But what is a topic sentence? The first thing you'll need to do at the beginning of each body paragraph is write a topic sentence. A topic sentence tells the reader what the paragraph would be about. For example, if I have the book Cinderella, you know what the book is about by the title. I need to do this with my paragraphs. Tell the reader what the whole paragraph will be about in the first sentence. To write a topic sentence, repeat the answer to the essay question and one reason from your thesis sentence. For example, if my thesis says, my favorite ice cream flavor is mint choco because I love chocolate and it gives me minty breath, then I need to use the first reason in my topic sentence of my body paragraph. In this thesis, the reason mint choco is the writer's favorite is because they love chocolate and it gives them minty breath. Each of these two reasons will be the topic sentence for different paragraphs. In this essay, there will be 2 paragraphs. The first body paragraph will be about why they love chocolate, and the second paragraph will be about mint chocolate giving them minty breath. For example, I think mint choco ice cream is the king of all ice cream because I love chocolate. Now I know what the whole paragraph is about, why I love chocolate. Let's keep reading. Chocolate is a flavor that mixes well with other flavors like mint. It is sweet but bitter, so it isn't overwhelming. Chocolate also makes your brain happy, so eating chocolate can boost your mood. Overall, chocolate in any ice cream makes the ice cream taste better. Notice how the first reason in the thesis is mentioned in the topic sentence. They love chocolate, right? That's how readers know the paragraph is all about loving chocolate. Let's keep going. Let's try it. Circle the topic sentence that could be used given the thesis. All right, here's the thesis. The beach is the best place to visit because you can swim and relax. Do you notice how our reasons are 1, you can swim at the beach, and 2, you can relax? Now, I need to make sure my topic sentence talks about this. So let's look. Topic sentence A. My favorite place in the summer is the beach because I get to swim like a fish. That matches because it tells me they get to swim, right? Let's look at the next one. Everyone thinks the beach is the best place. Does this talk about swimming or relaxing? Not at all. So that is probably not a good topic sentence. However, it does start with the word everyone, so it could make a good hook in the introduction paragraph of your essay. Let's look at C. If you need to relax, the beach is a great place to unwind. This also could be a good topic sentence. It just depends on what body paragraph you're writing it for. A is the best topic sentence for your first body paragraph, swimming. And C is a good topic sentence for your second body paragraph where you talk about relaxing at the beach. Do you see how we did this and the difference? Great work. Now let's move on and practice writing topic sentences. All right, now let's start with practice 1. Read the thesis sentence. Then use the hints to complete the topic sentence. Thesis. I would not like to have a pet dragon because they can eat people and can set your house on fire. Topic sentence 1. Your hints are might, dinner, and worse. Dragons would make the blank pet since you blank become its blank. What did you say? Your answer should be, dragons would make the worst pet since you might become its dinner. Topic sentence 2. Your hints are set, reason, and fire. Another blank you shouldn't have a dragon for a pet is because they could blank your house on fire. What is your answer? It should be, another reason you shouldn't have a dragon for a pet is because they could set your house on fire. Well done. Now let's look at practice number 2. Write a topic sentence for each reason in the thesis. The reasons have been underlined for you in the thesis. Thesis. Toast is the best breakfast since it is easy to make and you can eat it with your hands. Your first topic sentence is going to be about how toast is easy to make. Your second topic sentence is going to be about how you can eat it with your hands. Here's an example of what your topic sentence 1 might look like. Toast is the best breakfast since it is easy to make. Here's an example of what your topic sentence number 2 might look like. Toast is the best breakfast since you can eat it with your hands. Now it's time to move on to practice 3. Copy your thesis from workshop 5. Then write 3 topic sentences to match each reason in the thesis. Here's an example. For the same essay question, do you think winter or summer is better? Example. Thesis. Winter is the best because there are no bugs, you can snowboard, and there is Christmas. You can see this is the same thesis from the example in workshop number 5. Now, here are the 3 topic sentences for the 3 reasons. The first reason is there are no bugs, so here's the topic sentence. Winter is the greatest since all the bugs are gone. The second reason is you can snowboard. The topic sentence for this is, I love winter the most because I can go snowboarding. The third topic is Christmas. The topic sentence is, Christmas is my favorite holiday, so winter is the best. Now I have a topic sentence for body 1, body 2, and body 3 of my essay. Now it's your turn. Rewrite your thesis from workshop 5, then write 3 topic sentences for each of the reasons. Good luck. Well done. Now you can write a perfect topic sentence to start any body paragraph. Great job, and I'll see you in the next workshop.